Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to lift your Jeep Gladiator. There are several popular methods to achieve a higher stance, each with distinct advantages. Leveling kits typically raise the front to match the rear, offering a subtle change. Spacer lifts use durable pucks to increase overall suspension height. For more significant changes and improved articulation, coil spring lifts replace your factory springs with larger units. These options provide different levels of lift and performance. Choosing the right lift kit for your Gladiator depends on several key factors. First, consider the tire size you plan to run, as this dictates the necessary clearance. Next, evaluate your primary driving needs. Will you be tackling challenging off-road trails or mostly cruising city streets? Finally, your budget will significantly influence the type and complexity of the kit you can select, from basic to full suspension systems. Installing a lift kit can be a rewarding project, but it requires careful attention. While some kits are designed for DIY, professional installation is often recommended, especially for larger lifts, to ensure proper alignment and safety. Be aware that certain kits may necessitate additional components like new control arms or even driveshaft modifications. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions precisely for a successful and safe installation. Once your Gladiator lift is installed, there are crucial steps to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Immediately get a professional four-wheel alignment to correct any changes in suspension geometry and prevent uneven tire wear. Regularly inspect all suspension components for any signs of wear or damage, especially after off-road adventures. This proactive maintenance helps keep your Jeep running smoothly and safely. And speaking of bringing things to life, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker mentioned in the third bullet point. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.